give you a quick all over makeover. So I'm gonna start off by putting on some sunscreen. Right, I'm gonna put on some dewdrops. Okay, your eyes are a little bit red, so I'm gonna put some open, open, a little more open. Okay, I'm gonna help you rub those in. Right, look that way. Look that way. Okay, your eyes look a little bit better. Okay, you're looking a little bit oily too, so some pressed powder, and I'm gonna put some blush back, just give you some color. Alright, you look way better.